This is a video recording how do I create GCP resources with the Ansible playbooks. So the goal today will be with Ansible playbooks, GCP automation to create a VPC. And I want to create one VPC with 3 subnets in 3 firewall rules. I already have a GCP project. I've already created a service account with JSON file for credentials. And here's my Ansible playbook. So in this playbook, we define the GCP credentials. We're gonna use this name, create a VPC with name a beginner with 3 subnets, 3 firewall rules. First, we want to check if the VPC exists, or we can show the VPC info with Ansible debug. Then the second step will be the creation. With GCP Compute Network module, we can create a VPC. Next, with module GCP Compute Subnetwork, we can create a subnets. With the loop, we're gonna create 3 subnets. Last, we want to create the file rules. Same thing with the loop. We can create 3 firewall rules in this one same task. So if we go to GCP console, VPC networks, so these are the currently existing VPC. If I do a gcloud compute network list, networks, I have 3 networks. Subnet. This is the one we want to create. There's no subnets in it. Let's run the playbook. Ansible playbook GCP blah blah blah. This is the playbook. I'll paste the command here. So on my local machine, we don't have this VPC existed. We created it. VPC created. This is the self link, a beginner. Creating subnets. There are gonna be 3. This is the first one. And subnets are defined here with variables with name and CIDR. Second one, and the third one with all the informations. Last, creating firewall rules. Same, we've defined these variables with three rules with name, port, and tag. First one for SSH and port 22. Second one HTTP for port 80. And third one for HTTPS port 443. So the playbook succeeded. If we go to the console, check the VPC again. We used to have three VPCs. If we do a refresh, there are 4 now. This one with name A beginner is the one we just created. You can also check it from with the command line. We list all the networks. We do have 4 VPC now. This is the one we just created, A beginner. And subnets. In this VPC, we have 3 subnets. This is how I manage GCP resources for VPC.